pancakes. Be porkers before time so they don't have to buy so much food.
Today has come.
So what kind of pancakes are we making, Bev?
Pancakey pancakes.
Not a chocolate chip pancakey pancakes.
Okay.
So we'll pour your batch first and then we'll get my batch.
Poji poji.
Poji.
No lumps. No lumps.
And our fridge full of wonders and leftover food. Milk, meaty, pudding, food. I am interviewing my fridge. Interview with it. Ew, there's leftover pizza in there.
No.
That was so random, I didn't think we had any. Again, it's Sunny D. So much Sunny D, I think she's gonna pee Sunny D.
I don't get enough at home.
I know. Freezer. Ice cream. That's mine. I was like a cycle fetch look. Is there no lumps in it? Girl.
No.
Food. Or ramen.
So random.
I am. It's the morning. I have no logic going on. I'm just you. Yeah. I'll talk to you after pancakes are done.